Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of x to the power of 5 multiplied with square root of x to the power of 2 plus 4 dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. In this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. We put about t equals to this square root. Now we can put the t square, so we can eliminate the square root in here. We find x to the power of 2. We do first derivative in the both sides. And we eliminate. Now we need to change this integral. In x to the power of 5, we can separate them into x to the power of 4 with x. The square root we change to t. X to the power of 4 we change to this one. And this is about t squared minus 4 to the power of 2. X dx we change to t dt. Now we can answer right now. T multiplied by t is about t squared. And this one we can expand. And we got about t to the power of 4 minus 8t squared plus 16. T squared multiplied with t to the power of 4, t to the power of 2 and 16. You will got about the new one, that is about t to the power of 6, t to the power of 4 and t to the power of 2. And now we can find the final answer. The integral of t to the power of 6 is about t to the power of 7 over 7. Similar t to the power of 4. And we have capital C. We have t to change back to the square root of x squared plus 4. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.